Assalamu alaikum everyone. Actually, today I will teach you T sound so that, my dear learners, you can improve your English accents. So, let's begin. This is tomato. Tomato. My dear learners, repeat after me. Do you like tomato? My dear learners, let's try next one. Next one is tiger. Tiger. Tiger is very dangerous. My dear learners, repeat after me. Let's try next one. Next one is teacher. Teacher. I follow my teacher's advice, my dear learners. Repeat after me. Look here. Next one. Let's try. 10. 10. I have 10 storybooks. My dear learners, let's try next one. Next one is toy. Toy. This is toy. Do you like toy? This toy is very nice. My dear learners, I think if you can practice in this way, you can improve your English accents and you can speak fluently. My dear learners, I think you should practice every single day. My dear learners, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.